Hi everyone, this is the first video in Apache Spark Quick Tips and Tricks playlist. In this video, we are going to see what is a clean way to rename multiple columns in Spark Data Frame. Let's jump into the demo. First, I have started creating a data frame with two records and giving the schema ID, department name, and some special characters in the third column name. So usually many people will do to rename the number columns, they will just use with column rename. If so, the problem here is if you have like only 3 columns, you will be end up with doing only 3 lines. If you have like 10 columns or 20 columns or more than that, you will be end up with that number of lines in the code. So it is not the correct way to do, even it works. So usually you can use this list and unpack the list into .2df. So use your data frame and use .2df and unpack your list. So this is the easiest and correct way to do it. Not correct way, it's a clean way to do it. In case if you like in case, and also to note that this order should remain the same, like in what order the column names are there. Also, in case if you want to remove the spaces, you can use this list comprehension to replace the spaces in the column names, and you can run this dynamically and pass this list to this .df. This command will replace the spaces between the column names. You can see the column names spaces will be removed from the your column names. And third, you can also remove some special characters. Like usually in most of the columns you can see like spaces, brackets, underscore. So if you think you need only the alphabetical characters, you want to have that only alphabetical characters in your column names, you can use this regex on the fly to remove all the special characters except alphabetics. You can say here it removed this @ symbol. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Tech Island.